makeup. Thumbs up for natural.
I was recommended this product by a cosmetologist. I went to an event. It was a skincare event, and she was applying makeup to my face, and she just asked me, do you use any other products on your face as a daily wash? And I told her no, I only use soap as a daily wash, and she said that is not good, too harsh for your skin. So she switched me over to this product here, and I've been loving it so far. She recommended red algae because I have dry skin, sensitive skin, and open pores. She also recommended me the clay mask as well, but I'm the type of person that likes to use one product at a time just to see the results. So as you guys saw, I use only a small portion of this product. This product goes a long way, and I don't use much on my face. I use this morning and night. This product has lasted me now for almost 6 months, I believe. 5-6 months. So this is one of my favorite exfoliation face cleansers that I've used thus far. There's been products that dried my skin out, showed no results at all, and I just couldn't deal with those. So this has been the best product thus far. But now my pores have diminished and they are much smaller and very minimized, so I'm very happy about that. This product leaves my skin so soft. It is unbelievable. I never had an exfoliation product at that, leaving my skin so smooth and soft. I love the fact that this exfoliation product does not leave my skin dry after I use it. So I can wash this product off and pat dry my skin, and I can leave my skin bare with no moisturizer for at least 10 minutes. My skin will not be dry at all. So I have very sensitive skin, very dry skin, and my skin breaks out very easily. I can drink the wrong thing and it doesn't take much. My skin breaks out very easily. If I don't wash my hands and I put my hands on my face, it's a bump here and there the next day. So I have to be very careful with my skin because it's just that sensitive. So I will be purchasing another one of the clay mask cleansers because I am literally out. I don't have any more. So I'm going to purchase this weekend, and I'm also going to purchase a clay mask, and I'll probably do a future video on that one, on the clay mask, and I'll let you guys know. Overall, I love this product so much. I'll be going back to it for probably until I find something even better. So if you want to get rid of those everyday impurities, whether it's dirt, oil, if you want to minimize your pores, if you want to have just a daily cleanser just to get deep down in your skin and make sure that you maintain a even skin tone and brighten skin tone, I definitely recommend you guys to get this pure clay cleanser at L'Oreal Paris because it is amazing. This product was $7.99. I got it at Target. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below for Amazon so you guys can purchase it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned something, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle videos, hair videos, and all that good stuff. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.